Are you a DIY enthusiast, knife maker, or woodworker frustrated by standard-size tool limitations? Need precision sanding for detailed projects but full-size equipment is too bulky? The mini electric belt sander with adjustable speed delivers professional results in a compact powerhouse fitting any workbench. This heavy-duty grinder handles knife sharpening, metal polishing, and wood smoothing with precision larger tools can't match. Adjustable speed control sets perfect RPMs for each material, slower for delicate finishing, higher for aggressive removal. Multiple sanding belts included cover different grits from rough shaping to mirror finish polishing. Compact size perfect for small workshops or apartment workbenches. Knife makers put razor edges on custom blades. Woodworkers detail sand tight spaces and intricate shapes. Metal workers polish small parts to professional finishes. The 110V motor provides serious power despite small footprint. Opens new craftsmanship possibilities for projects previously impossible. The link is in the description and comments.